YouTube. Today we're going to do a transmission flush. A lot of people say the BMW transmission fluid lasts forever, but I think that's bullshit.
I don't know. That's funny because you was like, I don't need to change my transmission.
I was one of them. I didn't need to change it.
I don't need to change my transmission oil.
MTF2. I got this maybe about 10 years ago.
What's the weight?
The weight of the transmission? Or there you go with these questions. How many liters? How about the weight? Huh? So it's what?
75
W80 SAE.
Right.
This is recommended. I think it's OEM. They stopped making these. These are actually hard to get. But thank God I got these 10 years ago because I was going to change my car transmission fluid when it had 20,000 miles when I bought it 10 years ago. Now I'm at 43,000 miles because obviously I don't drive it. And I'm going to change it. And that's what we're going to go over today. So as you can see, I jacked up my car. These are Sears jack stands. Make sure if it was Harbor Freight.
You mean Craftsman?
Craftsman. If it was Harbor Freight, you would have had RIP. Because Harbor Freight's jack stands is failing on people. I want people to be aware of it. Cut that out. But yeah, make sure you got the Crafts jack stand, something strong. In the back, I have the back jack stands as a protection, just in case God forbid anything happens. But like I said, so the first thing you're gonna do, I already done it, which was a mistake. I didn't put it on camera. I took out the piece. You're gonna have 8 screws. You're gonna take out the protector, and then I'm gonna have to get the camera, and you're gonna take the side bolt first out, and then you're gonna leak it out. But good thing for me, I actually have my extractor, so I don't have to take out 2 bolts. So I'm gonna have to take out one, and I'm gonna extract it and pull it out.
Keep pumping.
But we're gonna
be pumper.
I got 3 transmission fluids as well, all the same, that I bought from. Okay, I don't know where I bought it from. It's such a while ago.
Harbor Freight.
I had them at AutoZone, believe it or not. I actually got this pump on Amazon because I'm gonna have to pump it back in. So we're gonna unbolt the screw. Alright, pause. Take it off. So I'm actually gonna try to show you the bolt. So there's 2 bolts. This is horrible view, my bad. This is the drain bolt, and then this is the other bolt that you kind of want to do first. All right, so I took the 2 bolts out. That's one of them. That's the drain bolt, and that's the other bolt. So I'm gonna let it leak. It leaked out. Waiting for everything to leak out. I'm actually gonna use my oil extractor too as well. And I'm gonna wait for it to leak. The issue is that I didn't really drive the car. So most people drive the car and make sure it was hot. So transmission fluid is actually not really hot. But since I have the oil extractor, I'm just gonna drain it out and make sure that everything is changed. But it's just a quick overview of the 2 screws. Also, you always make sure that you take the screw up top first, this screw, before you take that screw out. The oil, the main bolt. My bad, I'm using. All right, so far we did the driver's side. Remember, you only get one chance to line it up with the adhesive glue, but we lined it up pretty good. Definitely looks better than before. Now we're about to do the passenger side.
This before right here.
Yeah, before is makes the car look cleaner, more modern. It ain't an M4, but you know, that keeps it clean. Okay. Yeah, I have it in my hand. Just the other side, clear. I'm gonna try to fit it and record same damn time. Same damn time. We joking. YouTube, you know. Got YouTube checks, right? Get 1,000 views on this. Yeah, I got the Dove gray interior for them haters. Dove, same shit, bro. Boy, she got that. Yeah, but a lot of people don't like the Amola. But I like it because on a hot ass day like this, I can always sit down and lay my head and it ain't gonna burn. Definitely gonna redo the interior. Not sure when.
For the McCoys.
Yeah, shout out to the McCoys on Instagram. But the only issue with Delft Gray is that I did find some affordable red interior, but the dash is red, everything, carpet, I have to change everything. This piece as well. So it's annoying to change from red, so I don't think I'm gonna change to red. I think I might just get Ricardo's and call it a day. But back to the fitment. That's what we're supposed to be doing. This is good. This is a good fitment. So if we could just peel this off.
Oh, you want to do that? Nah, because there's that other one beneath it. Oh, actually, we could do that.
Yeah, you can do that, bro. What the fuck were we thinking before? It's M4.
Nah, it's not enough.
It's M4 with an eBay exhaust, bro. It's M4.
Push it in.
Push what?
Push forward.
Oh, okay.
There you go. This,
Oh, so you can. Yeah, yeah.
That's how we should have did it.
Yeah.
All right, we learn.
So I just realized you can just do that and then just press it down. And it's perfect.
Voila.
And then,
Was it right?
sure, that's M4. That is M4, bro. I told you.
Okay.
Told you. That has an eBay exhaust.
Okay.
So I'm trying to, right here. There you go. Ooh. Should sound like shit. And then you just. Yeah, hold on. Let me. Whoa. Is it easier? It's already in?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
You just gotta screw the back piece.
Alright, hold the camera. Woo.
Details.
Shout out to
Waterworks.
So, ideally, you want to heat it up. That's the big mistake. I actually didn't see that on YouTube. A lot of people take it out and they peel it. But if you use the, what's it called?
A heat gun or a
The
hair
heat-
dryer.
Yeah, use the heat gun or hair dryer. It comes right off. It would have saved us probably a good 20, 30 minutes because we've been doing this for like an hour.
I mean, it was
Once we-
bullshitting, but you
Yeah,
know.
once we heat it up, it was really good. I also changed the. I actually didn't show the video how to do that. There's a lot of videos on YouTube. Just move those two screws.
Where's the old one?
The old one is right here. Peeling. Yeah, it's annoying to use sometimes. But you can see the rubber. I mean, these parts I got from FCP Euro. I think I spent $250 on. Those are like 33. I think it's like a 120. And simple project. Shouldn't take too long. And the transmission flush we did. Car's not registered, so I can't really even give you a before after.
We could.
Black Lives Matter.
Black Lives Matter, facts.
And everybody be safe, be careful.